In this video, I am going to show you how to save and share a GeoGebra file. GeoGebra gives you 3 options to save or share a file. You can save, share, or download as. When you select Save, it saves your file onto the GeoGebra's website. From drop-down menu, you can select Private or Shared. Give a title to your file, select one of the options from drop-down and click Save. Now, let's check the file where we saved it. It's here. Saving your GeoGebra file, not as a private file, but as a shared file. You give the permission to the community to use your file. Let's quickly create a file and save it with shared option selected. Let's see what happens. Let's open our shared file now. From here, you can view it, edit it, rename it, or delete it. If you click View it, it takes you to the Create Lesson page. If you are teacher, you may like to create lessons here, and if you are a student, you can share your file with class, or your teacher. Hopefully, it's sufficient for our purposes here.